Hi, Konstantin here. At today's video I will tell you about the video HTML tag. You will use it if you want to insert the video on your web page without using any external JavaScript libraries, just a plain HTML. The usage of video tag is very simple, so let's dive into the code. You should have some video file to play around with the video tag inside your file system. I already added one, so let's write the video tag. The main attribute is src as inside link attribute, just to define a path to your video file. So let's write here introduction mp4. Will be the source of our video, and let's add another attribute which is controls. It will add the controls to the video on the page, just to let user to play, pause, change the volume or mute. Let's save it and let's check how it's look like. Alright, as we see, we have a video, we have a controls at the bottom, and we can click play.
Hello and welcome to the modern HTML video course.
And everything is working. A video tag allows a bunch of attributes. I will show you just a couple of them. For example, let's set the width of the video to some number to not occupy it the whole width of the page. Let's go to 700 for 700 pixels and let's check. Alright, now it looks much better. And let's try another attribute, for example muted attribute. And if you will have it, as you guess, by default when user will enter the page, the video will be muted, no sound. So as you see, the video is playing without the sound. Of course, user can turn it on.
And I'm working as a front-end.
And the last attribute I wanted to show you here is an autoplay attribute. And as you may guess, that means that video will start playing when the page loads. Let's check how it works. Right, as you see, video is playing.
My name is Konstantin, and
Alright, and that's it I wanted to say today about video tag. I will place the link in the description to much deeper tutorial. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and happy learning!